Hey everyone, so I got the Driveline back from the Driveline shop and they were not able to balance it, so they couldn't cut it because they said something was wrong with this. It is a bit stiff. I took the snap rings off and been spraying it with starting fluid to get it all nice and clean, and it's still, even when you rotate it like this it's fine, but going up and down it's like very stiff. So I'm gonna take it apart, make sure the center bearing here is all greased up and all the needles are in place. Make sure all these U-joints are good. So yeah, let's take it apart. So I realized after I got it all apart, my battery died. So I got it charged, and the way to take out these U-joints is I would press them out as far as you can, and then you take a socket, like a 16, 17 millimeter socket, and hit the rest out, and then you can grab the little cup and then hit it out the other way and repeat that for all the U-joints. But I got it all apart right here, and all the U-joints, they're pretty brand new, so they're all still good. There's no cracks or deformations or anything like that. But in the center bearing, I did find a couple of needles out of place. So we're gonna put them back into place. And if you got one of these little picker things, it's easy if there's some grease in here, because you can just pick out a needle, some grease on it, and then get it into place. It might take a little bit, but we'll get all those back into place and then clean up this double cardan joint and then put it back together. So I got one of the needles off of it right now. We're just going to put that back into place. Alright, so we got all the needles back in place. We're going to go ahead and grease that up so they stay. And then we'll start putting this thing back together. So the grease we're going to be using is this Lucas Extra Heavy Duty grease. We got Zerk fittings. Also, you get one of these needle valve grease fittings. So I got it all back together, and I was still doing it, so I took it apart again, and a lot of these needles are broken. So I gotta find some more needles, repack this thing. Alright, so I've got a brand new one right here, and a lifetime warranty on the other one, so I was just able to swap it out. They don't even sell needle bearings at O'Reilly's, so I'm gonna put it back together for the third time, and that should be it. Put it all back together. Everything looks good. It's all freely moving and in place. All the snap rings are down. I grease it one more time and then drop it off at the Driveline shop to get shortened. They should be able to balance it this time. If not, we will try to do it ourselves. Alright, so your double cardan joint's going to use two 354 U-joints. And then I think this is called a CV center bearing. And it's part number 628 C. And then this H joint, I don't know the part number for it, but that's what it's called. Looks like an H. Anyways, it's all back together and looks good.